Just standing out there is how we protect our whenua. Yeah. Yeah. I really can't explain all of the work, all of those blood, sweat and tears we've been dragged through hell and back to stand for our whenua. We've been going over 11 months now, and the council and courts are just trying their best to, you can't, our lake has its own tikanga, it has its own rules, and it's higher than anything. That's why we've lasted this long. And yeah, the council just gotta, you can't push over our lake. It's a bit of a make it or break it day for us today, but it's brought us back together again. I'd like a good outcome for our whānau and our roto, and our whānau to can all go home and rest.